Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Garner, Director of Sales Technology for Grand Canyon Title right here in Phoenix, Arizona. And in today's video, I want to introduce you to a new tool that's going to help you build your real estate business. Okay, so this is mytitleguy.com. Now, if you're a real estate agent here in Phoenix and you've been to any of our real estate marketing classes, whether it be the How to Use Video in Real Estate series, Hub Marketing, WordPress 101, Advanced WordPress, Video Editing, Green Screen, whatever class you've been to, you may have heard me or remember me talking about something called a hub. And your hub is your real estate website. This is my hub. This is where my ideal client, being real estate agents, come to learn more about me. They find me in many different ways. They find me through search engines like Google, through YouTube, through social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. They find me through word of mouth. However they find me, when they get to my website, they read articles. Now, the first part about this is that you need to create content that consumers or your ideal client would look for when they have a need. So I write articles, I syndicate them through social media channels, and when a consumer or my ideal client comes here, they read the article and they may watch a few videos. And the great thing about this is that my website begins to sell me without me having to sell me, which is huge because as consumers, we do not like to be sold to. So today I want to introduce you to one of Grand Canyon Title's vendors and how this is going to help you grow your business. This is iFoundAgent, and iFoundAgent is a WordPress developer right here in Phoenix. Now, in my opinion, the best website to have in real estate is WordPress, and there's many different reasons for that. One is that WordPress is incredibly easy to use. If you can use Microsoft Word, you can use WordPress. WordPress is designed to get found on the internet. It's mobile friendly, it's video friendly, and it's easy to optimize. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at a website that iFoundAgent just launched about 60 days ago. This is waltersrealtygroup.com. Now, this is a WordPress website built by iFoundAgent. It's built on the Genesis platform, which is, if not the best platform for real estate websites, it's certainly one of the best. You'll notice when you get here that there's not some glossy banner of the real estate agent with some photoshopped image. This is all geared towards the consumer, for buyers and sellers and about me. But what I want to talk to you about today is what's called an IDX or Internet Data Exchange. IDX allows consumers to search for homes on your website. Now, most consumers on the internet, and real estate consumers, are looking for homes for sale. So an IDX is incredibly important. You may have an IDX on your website already. However, this is one of the few IDXs that actually brings traffic to your site. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you first of all. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go over to Google, open up a new window here, and we're going to do what's called a site search. So do this on your own website. You may be shocked what you find. Site : / and then the website. In this case, it's waltersrealtygroup.com. And what we're asking Google is, hey Google, how many pages do you have in your index for this website? And as you can see, there are 7,990 results for waltersrealtygroup.com. Now, I just told you this website is 60 days old, and you may be thinking, you know what, Stephen? How is it that this agent has created 7,990 articles in the past 60 days? How is that even possible? Well, the quick answer is he didn't. He's using the Indexable IDX by iFoundAgent. So you'll notice here, as we click deeper into the results, you're going to start to see property listings come up. The GetFoundIDX by iFoundAgent creates pages for every listing within this agent's marketing area. So we're going to go ahead and click on one of these, much like a consumer would. And you're going to see that when we come into the website, and again, this is where you want people to be. This is, we're going to learn more about you and what problem you solve and how they're going to search for homes. When they get here, you're going to see the pictures come rolling in automatically. You'll see the property description. You'll see the general information of this home and the features. Now, what I want to tell you is this is the actual MLS. Okay, this is not Realtor.com. This is not Zillow. This is not Trulia. This is the actual real MLS, just like you as a real estate agent has. You'll see here up at the right here. You'll see the time is 11:28. It is right now January 11th, and you'll see that this website was updated here, last updated January 11th, 2013 at 11:26. So 2 minutes ago. This is the actual MLS. So what I want to show you is some of the tools that this IDX has that makes it unique in addition to it being indexable. You'll see here that as we scroll down, there's information about the house, and what iFoundAgent did was they built in some sales into this. Now, you'll see what's called a BAB, or a big ass button here, okay? That's what we call them. And you'll see that it's prompting the consumer. Do you want to see this house today? Do you have questions? If they click on it, they can fill this out, ask a question, and the real estate agent will receive that lead. If they have questions about this house, maybe they want to know before they ask questions about this house, how much their own home is worth, or any information about the market. They can ask that here. Okay, we're going to get out of that. The newest feature that iFoundAgent has introduced is this calculate payment and search by budget. So you'll see here for this particular property, it's 570 East Betsy Lane in Gilbert. You'll notice the permalink structure is Walters Realty Group /570 East Betsy Lane in Gilbert, 85296. The subdivision is there, Lindsay Meadows, and the MLS number 4853548, which is right here. Okay, now, with this mortgage calculator, you'll see that the list price of $289,000 was immediately populated here on the right. So it's taken the list price and now it starts to engage the consumer. What's your down payment, Mr. Consumer? Do you want to go conventional? Do you want to go FHA, jumbo, or other? Let's just do FHA for the sake of argument. It's telling us that our down payment is $10,129. Our loan amount is now $279, and here's our interest rate, annual taxes, etc. Now we can calculate the payment. Now this is where it gets really, really cool. You'll see here that the information from the property is here on the left. The list price, the down payment, the loan amount, the interest rate, the annual taxes, and now it says, hey, Mr. Consumer, your payment based upon this information is going to be $1,480. Does this payment fit your budget? Let's, for the sake of argument, say yes, it does. Now the IDX starts to engage the consumer again. Excellent. What would you like to do now? Do you want to talk to a financing expert about pre-qualifying for the home? Do you want to talk to the agent? Or would you like to see similar homes based upon the same monthly payment in the same school district, zip code, or city? We're going to go ahead and click on this, and it's going to ask us, okay, what do you want to see? Do you want to see similar homes by school district, by zip code, or by city? Let's just, for the sake of argument, choose zip code. Now the IDX is going to go back and search the multiple listing service and come back with all the homes that fit within that same payment in the same zip code. And you're going to see those here. And again, they can search down here, they can look at the pictures, they can click into this particular property, and the process is going to start all over again. Now the list price is $298,261. You'll see it's been populated here. We'll go through the same process we did last time. We'll calculate the payment. You'll see the payment is now $1,578. And now this time, when it asks, does this payment fit your budget? Let's say no, it doesn't. It's too much. I can't afford that. Okay, Mr. Consumer, Mr. Buyer, Mrs. Buyer, what is your preferred monthly payment? Well, I can only afford $1,000 a month. So now by clicking search homes, the IDX is going to go back and find other homes in this same area the consumer is searching in and display homes based upon that same monthly payment. Guys, this is absolutely huge. There's no IDX that I've seen anywhere on the market that does what this does. In addition to being indexable, in addition to having some built-in sales cues, it also begins to engage the consumer. Now, the longer the consumer is on this real estate agent's website, the more likely it is that they're going to turn into a lead. This is where they can look for homes. This is where they can learn more about the property. They can learn more about the real estate agent, and this is going to help the real estate agent get more leads. This is by iFoundAgent. It's called the GetFoundIDX. This is a vendor of Grand Canyon Title right here in Phoenix. If you need a real estate website, I would be hard-pressed to tell you anyone better than iFoundAgent. They build sites that are great, that are designed to get found online. They look good, and they work. And that's huge because so many real estate agents I talk to have websites they've had for 2 and 3 years that have never generated a lead. Of course, the IDX is just one part of it. Adding content on a regular basis is another, and that's where Grand Canyon Title comes in. We have classes all over the valley to teach you how to do what we're talking about, how to create content, how to use video in your real estate business. And by the way, that IDX is one of the few, in fact, the only one I know of, that actually supports video on the property detail pages. What that means is that when a consumer lands on this page, this could be a video right here from the agent saying, hey, welcome to my website. If you're interested in this property, please click the button below. Or maybe you have a property to sell, and it begins to allow the real estate agent to have a face. And that's huge because when the consumer can see the agent and they can see they're being authentic and they can see that they care, they can start to build that relationship and move down that path of being liked and trusted, which, as you know, is the foundation of real estate sales. Once again, this is a website by iFoundAgent. The IDX is called the GetFoundIDX. It's available in Phoenix, it's available in Philadelphia, and it's soon to be available in San Diego. If you have any questions and you're here in Phoenix, Arizona, please go ahead and give one of Grand Canyon Title's representatives a call. They were gracious enough to offer discounts to our clients. So reach out to your Grand Canyon Title representative, or you can email our technology team at Grand Canyon Title at techteam@gcta.com. We'll get you in touch with iFoundAgent and we'll get you down the path of building a website that's going to work for you, that's going to help consumers find you organically, that's going to help you build your real estate business. I'm Stephen Garner, Director of Sales Technology for Grand Canyon Title right here in Phoenix. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at 480-223-8113. You can email me at mytitleguy@me.com. You can fill out a form on mytitleguy.com. Tweet me, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever works for you. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.